Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a WordPress website using Godaddy. First, select a memorable domain name and a suitable hosting plan. Godaddy offers various options to fit your needs. Once chosen, you can easily install WordPress with just a few clicks from your Godaddy account. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard to begin customizing your site. Now let's design your website's look and feel. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes. Choose one that aligns with your brand or purpose. You can then customize colors, fonts, and layouts to make it unique. Don't forget to create important pages such as About Us and Contact to provide key information to your visitors. With your design in place, it's time to add compelling content. Start creating new posts for blog articles or pages for static information. Enhance your content with high-quality images and engaging videos to capture attention. Consider installing useful plugins, like a contact form or an SEO tool, to add powerful features to your site. Before going live, carefully review every aspect of your website. Check for broken links, typos, and mobile responsiveness. Once satisfied, launch your site and share it widely on social media platforms. Remember, ongoing maintenance is crucial. Regularly update WordPress, your theme, and all plugins to ensure security and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.